Are you ready to transform your financial future? Picture this: you're checking your bank account, and instead of anxiety, you feel a wave of satisfaction as you see six figures staring back at you. I'm not talking about some far-off dream. I'm about to show you 5 proven, actionable strategies that have helped thousands of people like you build serious wealth online. What if I told you that right now, someone is making their first $100,000 teaching what they already know? Another person is earning passive income while they sleep through affiliate marketing, and countless others are turning their social media presence into profit machines. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree, thousands in startup costs, or even prior business experience. All you need is dedication, an internet connection, and the insider knowledge I'm about to share. In the next few minutes, I'll explain 5 battle-tested methods.
Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate your support. Thank you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Teaching online courses. Teaching online courses has become one of the most exciting and accessible ways to earn money today. Imagine this: platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera have created a landscape where the barriers to entry are practically non-existent. You can turn your passion, skills, or life experiences into a course that helps others while earning a steady income. The potential is limitless, and success stories abound to prove it. So how can you start building your own success story? It begins with taking action. Here are the steps to turn your ideas into a profitable course. 1. Discover your niche and audience. What are you passionate about? What knowledge or skills do you have that could make a difference in someone's life? Whether it's photography, fitness, language learning, or even how to declutter your home, an audience is waiting for your expertise. 2. Design a clear and engaging course structure. Once you know your niche, it's time to organize your content. Break it down into easy-to-follow modules or lessons that guide your students step by step. Think about the challenges they might face and how you can solve them. 3. Create high-quality content. To enhance learning, we recommend using high-quality videos, engaging visuals, and supplementary materials. 4. Promote your course like a pro. Once your course is ready, it's time to spread the word. Use social media, email, and content marketing to reach your audience. Build a personal brand that showcases your expertise and passion. The beauty of teaching online is that it's not just about making money, it's about making an impact. Every course you create can potentially change lives, including yours. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is your golden ticket to earning money online, empowering you to transform your passion into profit. Imagine generating income by promoting high-quality products created by experts, all without the hassle of developing a product yourself. This approach minimizes your upfront investment and grants you the freedom to choose products that align with your interests and audience, ensuring you're promoting something you genuinely believe in. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to start your journey toward financial freedom. You don't need to worry about creating, hosting, or maintaining a product. Instead, you can tap into an already established ecosystem. Additionally, this model offers unmatched flexibility. You can work from anywhere worldwide, and your potential is limitless when you commit to mastering this income stream. Of course, no opportunity comes without its hurdles. Affiliate marketing can be competitive, with countless affiliates often promoting the same products. However, what you need is to find creative ways to stand out from the crowd. Moreover, your income is tied directly to the sales you generate. Therefore, consistency, effort, and strategic thinking are key to building a reliable revenue stream. But don't let these challenges deter you. Let's discuss how to find the right products to promote. To set yourself up for success, start by finding high-quality products that resonate with your niche. Platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24 are treasure troves for affiliate marketers, offering diverse digital products. ClickBank is known as one of the largest affiliate marketplaces. It offers an extensive selection of products across various niches. Digistore24 is a unique platform that provides access to numerous digital products and often offers higher commission rates. Number 3. Running Instagram theme pages. Theme pages are like digital real estate that pays rent 24/7
And the best part is that you can build them while keeping your privacy intact. No fancy equipment is needed, no awkward videos, just pure strategic content curation that can turn into serious cash flow. Here's the game-changing truth. Currently, thousands of theme page owners are making $5,000, $10,000, or even $20,000 monthly by sharing content they didn't create. They're not influencers or celebrities. They're smart operators who spotted a massive opportunity and took action. Think about it. Every time you scroll through Instagram, you're likely looking at someone's theme page. Behind those satisfying cooking videos, stunning travel shots, and motivational quotes that keep you going is someone just like you who decided to take control of their financial future. The formula is simple. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's luxury lifestyle, pet humor, or fitness motivation. Use tools like Canva to create stunning visuals. Schedule your posts strategically. I'm not talking about chump change here. Once your page hits its stride, multiple revenue streams will flow in. Brand deals that can pay $500 to $2,000 per post. Shoutouts that bring in quick $50 to $200 hits. And the best part is that this can all happen while you maintain your day job and your privacy. Number 4. Starting and monetizing a YouTube channel. One of the most exciting opportunities today is making money online by starting a YouTube channel. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a passionate storyteller, or someone who simply wants to share their expertise, YouTube offers a platform to turn your passions into profits. Here's how you can jumpstart your journey and start making money online. Step 1. Find your niche. Your niche is the cornerstone of your YouTube success. Choose a topic that aligns with your interests and expertise while solving a problem or entertaining your audience. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Invest in a decent camera, microphone, and video editing software to ensure your videos are visually appealing and easy to follow. However, remember that authenticity matters more than perfection. Step 3. Build an audience. Growing your channel requires dedication. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to make them clickable and searchable. Use social media platforms to promote your content and engage with your audience through comments and live streams. Step 4. Monetize your channel. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're eligible for YouTube's partner program. This unlocks ad revenue, but that's just the beginning. Diversify your income through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and offering premium content or courses. Step 5. Scale and diversify. As your channel grows, consider expanding your brand. Launch a website, start a podcast, or write a book. The possibilities are endless when you leverage your YouTube success as a springboard to other ventures. Making money online with YouTube requires hard work and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth it. Not only can you achieve financial independence, but you'll also have the chance to inspire and connect with people worldwide. Number 5. Selling digital products. One of the fastest growing ways to make money online is by selling digital products. Why digital? Because these products are scalable, require no inventory, and can generate passive income while you sleep. If you've ever dreamed of earning a steady income on your terms, now is the time to turn that dream into reality. What are digital products? Digital products are intangible items delivered electronically. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music, printables, and even design assets. These products solve problems, educate, entertain, or provide tools people can use in their personal or professional lives. The best part? You create them once and they can be sold an infinite number of times. Platforms to sell your digital products. The process of creating digital products is just one side of the coin. The other is choosing the right platform to sell them. Here are some top platforms to get started. 1. Etsy. If you plan to sell creative products like planners, printables, or digital artwork, you should consider using Etsy. 2. Gumroad. This platform is perfect for creators selling ebooks, courses, music, or software. 3. Teachable.
If teaching is your forte, Teachable is excellent for creating and selling online courses. Chitverdi Shopify. You can set up a digital store on Shopify and sell everything from digital downloads to subscription-based products. The strategy to succeed include 1. Identify a niche you're passionate about or skilled in and cater to a specific audience. 2. Create high-quality products that provide real value and solve problems for your customers.
And there you have it, the blueprint to earning your first $100,000 online. These 5 easy steps aren't just ideas, they're actionable strategies that thousands of people just like you are already using to change their lives. The only difference between where you are now and where you could be is a decision to act, commit, and step into the life you deserve. Imagine waking up daily knowing you're building something bigger than a paycheck. Picture the freedom to work from anywhere, the excitement of watching your income grow, and the pride of achieving what so many only dream about. Remember, no one starts as an expert. Everyone begins with questions, fears, and doubts. But here's the truth. Success rewards action. Don't let perfection stop you. Progress is what matters. You've got this, trailblazer. We believe in you. If you find this guide valuable, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you back here next time, trailblazers. Until then, take care and thank you.